Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. Today's question is, are there any side effects like memory loss after quitting Brahmi Vati? I used it for 6 months continuously with milk. During the usage period, it helped me a lot. After I stopped using it, I started feeling loss of memory. Please tell me what to do. Before getting into the actual question, we shall discuss Brahmi Vati first. Brahmi Vati is a traditional Ayurvedic medicine in tablet form, used in the treatment of anxiety, depression, etc. Coming to its benefits, Brahmi Vati is mainly used in psychiatric conditions like anxiety, depression, sleeplessness, panic attacks, and MDP or manic depressive psychosis. It is also used in the treatment of tremors in hands and legs, chronic fevers, etc. Now, coming to the ingredients of Brahmi Vati, as the name suggests, the main ingredient of this medicine is Brahmi, also known as water hyssop. Other ingredients are Shankhapushpi, sweet flag, pepper, Ceylon tea, Swarnamakshika Bhasma, or calx of copper and iron pyrite, etc. This medicine should be taken strictly under the supervision of a qualified Ayurvedic physician only. Self-medication is not at all advised. Now, we shall study the main ingredient Brahmi. According to Bhava Mishra, Brahmi has these qualities: Medhya, Ayushya, Rasayani, Smriti Prada. That means Brahmi is Medhya, improves memory function and intelligence. Ayushya, increases lifespan. Rasayani, acts as anti-aging, and Smriti Prada, improves memory. So, Brahmi Vati, containing Brahmi as the main ingredient, possesses similar benefits. A research study has been conducted on Brahmi Vati to prove its efficacy in treating high blood pressure and anxiety. Now, coming to the important part of this question, are there any side effects like memory loss after quitting Brahmi Vati? First of all, it's better not to take this medicine for a long duration without doctor's advice. And as mentioned in the question, stopping Brahmi Vati does not lead to memory loss or any such withdrawal effects. The memory loss may happen due to your psychological dependence on the medicine rather than due to the withdrawal effect. While taking any medicine that acts on the brain, such as Brahmi Vati, it should not be stopped all of a sudden. So, please consult your Ayurveda doctor who would recommend decreasing the tablet dose to 1 per day for a few weeks, then in a gradual manner it can be stopped. While stopping this medicine, to retain good memory, follow the below memory improving tips. Play memory games. Use gotu kola in the form of chutney or rasam. Use at least a teaspoon of ghee per day. Ghee is known to improve memory and concentration. Practice pranayama, meditation and yoga daily. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit easyayurveda.com.